Many people dream of a profitable business that serves customers all over the world. If you are one of them, this information is exactly what you need. Dropshipping is the business that provides equal opportunities to everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are an islander or a resident of a busy metropolis. If you want to secure a better future for yourself and your family, you can easily set up an online business that will bring you money at any point of the globe. You don't need to manufacture products or to buy them from someone in advance and stock them, paying all related expenses. All you need is stable internet access and an online store. Starting here, your business journey begins. Let's see how dropshipping business model works in simple 6 steps. Step 1. Find an online supplier who has the products you want to sell. Step 2. Show the supplier's products with marked up prices on your website and advertise them. Step 3. Receive direct payment from the customers who buy from your website. Step 4. Redirect the orders to your suppliers and pay them their original price, keep the profits to yourself. Step 5. Do nothing, the supplier will ship the order directly to your clients. Step 6. Repeat. Find more products and suppliers if you like, and enjoy greater earnings. Russia opens up great opportunities for e-commerce entrepreneurs. As a Russian resident, you surely see that lots and lots of people of all ages and social backgrounds try themselves in startups and newly opened business ventures. Wouldn't you love to join this vibrant community, too? Requiring no inventory and physical space for offices, warehouses, etc., dropshipping is the perfect online business model to start even with zero knowledge or experience in this area. And Russia has everything it takes to help you succeed with your dropshipping store. Growing smartphone usage and mobile devices availability letting you monitor your store performance at any convenient time. Presence of worldwide famous payment gateways such as PayPal and 2Checkout that let you accept incoming money transfers and ensure the safety of your and your buyer's finances. Favorable legal environment allowing you to officially register your online store as a sole proprietorship without any extra commonly associated with creating a corporate entity. Does it sound like a tempting business option for you? What would you say to the opportunity to become your own boss and manage your earnings as you desire? Isn't it the lifestyle you've been dreaming about for all these years? Today, your journey begins. Living in Russia, you don't necessarily have to target your business at your fellow citizens. Still, as a dropshipping store owner, you are absolutely free to offer your items to buyers all over the globe. The dropshipping business model puts no limits on the geographic scope of your actions and allows you to stay connected with suppliers and customers worldwide. This is why you can create any product offering you fancy and focus your efforts on any buyer segment you know and understand. Whether you want to sell sewing supplies to housewives in the Netherlands or offer cosplay accessories and craft materials to the UK fans of popular series, it's absolutely up to you. Thanks to the flexibility of the dropshipping business model, you can safely create a venture that is interesting to you personally, and profitable due to the public demand. Launch your online store with AliDropship and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. AliDropship is the world's #1 dropshipping business platform that provides you the WordPress plugin and customized store creation service at very affordable price. Create your own dropshipping store with the most powerful plugin for WordPress. Or let the AliDropship team create a store for you. AliDropship's unique solutions are creating a wave of buzz with dropshippers just like you. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned expert with a multi-million-dollar turnover, AliDropship has the exact solution you're looking for. When you invest in AliDropship plugin, you can easily build your own professional AliExpress dropshipping store. The plugin offers all the features you'll need to build your own highly profitable business. The best thing about AliDropship is, unlike other dropshipping platform, AliDropship lets you enjoy the 100% ownership. Whether you build it yourself or have AliDropship build it for you, you will have full ownership of your dropshipping empire. You keep all the profits and have complete control over your store. And AliDropship doesn't limit you on the number of products you can have or the monthly sales you can get. Even if you have tens of thousands of products and millions of orders, you pay no extra fees. And AliDropship has a wide range of high-quality services to help you succeed through every phase of growth. AliDropship offers free personal support for every solution you order, so you'll always have them as your secret weapon. Are you ready to start your dropshipping business today? The link is in the description below. Go to the description, click the link and start your dropshipping journey today.